Can you find the area of these blue shaded squares? We are given two squares placed side by side, with their combined base measuring 10 units like this, and this top length measuring 2 units. And our goal is to find the total area of these blue shaded squares. You can pause the video and take a moment to think about it, and when you are ready, you can come back to verify your answer. Alright, let us solve it together. First, let us define the side of this square as x units, and the side of this square as y units. That means this is also x units, and this is y units, correct? Now look, if this total length is 10 units, and this length is x units, and this length is y units, then we have the first equation as x plus y equals 10, right? Similarly, if this total length is x units, and this length is 2 units, and this length is y, we have another equation as x minus y equals 2. Now adding both these equations we get 2 times x equals 12, and dividing by 2 gives us x equals 6 units, correct? Now substituting x equals 6 into the first equation we get 6 plus y equals 10, and subtracting 6 from both sides we get y equals 4 units. Great. Thus the side length of this square is 6 units, and side length of this square is 4 units. Now looking at the figure, we can say that total area of this blue shaded region will be equal to area of this square with length 6 units plus the area of this square with length 4 units, right? And we know that area of square is calculated by squaring its side. So substituting the values we get, area of this blue shaded squares is equal to 6 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 36 plus 16, or 52 square units. And that's our final answer. Pretty neat, right? But wait, before you go, I have one bonus question for you. Can you find the area of this blue shaded square in terms of a variable x and y instead of a specific number? Think it through, and share your answer in the comments below. Let us see who can figure it out. If you enjoyed this explanation and learned something new, do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun, brain-teasing math questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.